Oh, I'm frazzled today. I was already frazzled because you guys hear the bzzz in the back of my stream. It's my water heater or something. The water tank? What's the water tank? The water heater? The whatever it is. I googled it finally. I was like, why is it humming in the key of G? And they're like, oh, it's and it was like this like plumber filming with his iPhone with his finger covering how he's like, so if your fucking water heater is buzzing and making you want to kill your fucking neighbor, it's this thing and it's this little box or something. I can't even think of what it's called, but it's busted and I'm so Anyway, today we're gonna play MORDHAU. Yay!
Shake it.